CANDO implant measuring roughly 1 cubic centimetre will be inserted into the surface layer of the brain. For comparison, the average adult brain is around 1200 cubic centimetres. This part of the brain is called the cerebellum and is involved with the more complex functions such as language and memory. The implant will be connected to a control unit in the chest. In order to prevent the development of epileptic seizures, the CANDO device will monitor the electrical activity of the brain. When abnormal activity is detected, tiny LED lights in the device will be turned on within the brain. This will activate light-reactive proteins called opsins within surrounding neurons, restoring normal activity and preventing further spread of abnormal activity. Active implantable healthcare technology has been in use for decades. The first pacemaker for the heart was implanted in 1958, and the first neurostimulator implanted into the brain in 1987. The CANDO project continues this technology, bringing it into the 21st century with the use of optogenetics, a new technology that uses gene therapy technology to modify cellular activity. Led by Professor Andrew Jackson and Professor Anthony O'Neill from Newcastle University, CANDO proposes a new therapy to prevent the development of seizures for people with focal epilepsy. The therapy will involve a gene therapy medicine to make brain cells responsive to light, and a medical device capable of monitoring brain activity and delivering light stimulation. Optogenetics uses naturally occurring light-sensitive proteins called opsins. These opsins are introduced into brain cells using vectors. Vectors are viruses that have been altered to make them safe. These opsins allow scientists a greater level of control than was previously possible. In the brain, nerve cells called neurons generate rhythmic activity or brain waves, illustrated in front of you in blue. In many neurological diseases, these rhythms are disrupted, producing abnormal patterns of activity, shown in red. In epilepsy, seizures occur when groups of neurons become overexcited. Seizures can begin in different areas of the brain or from one particular area focus. The CANDO device will be implanted into the area of the brain responsible for seizures. By monitoring electrical activity, the device can recognize abnormal activity and implement its light therapy to restore normal function. Using light instead of electricity means that the stimulation can be targeted to specific types of cell and does not interfere with device recording. This allows the therapy to respond instantly to the ever-changing activity of the brain. This is called closed-loop control.